this video, we're going to take a quick look at public campaigns. So to set up a campaign, head over to the New Campaign button on the top right hand side. You can click Start from Scratch or based on an existing campaign. Start the setup with single platform or multiple platform. And here you can choose public or direct in the Manager Pro or in the Manager Enterprise options. So let's click on the public campaign. This will take us to another option, standard or charity, depending on which plan you're with. So let's go with the standard for the sake of example and work through the different stages in the campaign setup. Campaign title, country along here, single content or multi-content content type. You can then choose Instagram feed or an Instagram story and enable the preview if you want to do that. Choose a platform from the right hand side. Head over to the brief. Now this is where you'll be telling the influencers a little bit about yourself and about the brand and what it is you would like them to do specifically in the post. If you'd like to direct them to a URL, perhaps a web shot, you can do that in this space here. You can upload images if you would like to use for inspiration, or perhaps you would like them to post those specific images. That's where you would do so. And below that, you can add a cover. So this is a cover that you would use to stand out on the app for the influencer side. Below that is the wording of the post. So you can either say be strict and tell them to say a specific thing, or you can give them guidelines and let them say it in their own voice with freestyle. Next along is the timing. So this is simply the application period from and to, and the posting period from and to. Next along is the influencer section. So this is where you're setting the criteria for the people who can apply. So that's minimum and maximum followers, an age range, and up to 3 categories here. You can also choose the credibility and male, female, or both. Next along is the payment. So the options here are pricing per follower range. So you can put your whole budget in here, and then you can price per follower range. Now we've also given you suggested fees, so you can hit the fill prices for suggested fees and populate all of the boxes at once. And if you want to do so, you can also modify those. Next along is the overview. So the overview is just where you check all of the information you've inputted is correct before finally going live by hitting the finish button.